Hi kids, already you learned about prehistoric period in the world level, okay? Now you are going to learn about prehistory in Tamilagam, how it was there. Only we are going to see there. Lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. In that one, first we are going to see about the lower Paleolithic culture. Already we studied about Paleolithic culture. In that one itself, we studied about the lower, middle, and upper, isn't it? And after that, we completed the Mesolithic period as well as Neolithic period. Now also you are going to learn about the everything only in Tamilagam. One of the oldest Stone Age tools in the world made by human ancestors were called as hominians, which had been produced in Tamil Nadu. Actually, these stone tools and all we can able to find in the Adirampakam. From there only they found that tools and all. Through the archaeological excavation and cosmic ray exposed dating, we are finding that people lived here about 1.5 to 2 million years ago. Actually, you know about the archaeological excavation. Archaeological excavation means doing the archaeological evidences, that means digging under the earth and getting some tools, pottery, like that. When we are digging that earth, we are getting that one, okay? That one only called as a archaeological evidence. That what the work we are doing, that is called as a archaeological excavation. Next we here said about the cosmic ray exposure dating. That means through the samples means samples we may say about the stone, otherwise any tree, otherwise any bone. From that we can through that one we can able to find which year it was lived. That means which year it belonged to, that thing which year it belonged to also we may find that, okay? Through the cosmic ray, through the cosmogenic ray, they will send the cosmogenic ray that in that one, that means in the stone, otherwise on the bone, to find out which year it belonged to. It is called as a cosmic ray exposure dating, okay? And near to Kosathalayar river, there also we can find our human ancestors that they lived in that river. Near to that river also, Kosathalayar river, which it's in Tiruvallur district, okay? Kosathalayar river is in Tiruvallur district. It is the major cradles of the human ancestor in the world itself, we may say. The people who lived here belong to the species of Homo erectus. In 1863, Sir Robert Bruce Foote, he only founded the Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram. He discovered the Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram, which is near Chennai. And also the tools he kept in the museum, Madras Stone Tool Industry. Actually, what he did, he assembled all the hand axes and considered that one as a Madras Stone Tool Industry, and now it was kept in the Chennai Museum. The Paleolithic people hunted wild animals and gathered the naturally available fruits, roots, nuts and leaves. They did not have knowledge of iron and pottery making. That one already I explained you, which developed only in the later history, okay? Hand axes and clevers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic period. The tools are found in the soil deposits and also in the exposed riverside, where we find that one in the soil deposit only we found. They occur at Pallavaram, Gudiyam Cave, Adirampakam, Vadamadurai, Erumai, Vettipalayam and Parikulam. In that places we can able to find that lower Paleolithic culture periods tools, okay? The people belonging to this period used basalt rocks. Basalt rocks means igneous rocks they used there. The southern part of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka do not have evidence of lower Paleolithic culture. Next we will move on to the middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Middle Paleolithic culture. Middle Paleolithic culture emerged during 385,000 to 172,000 years ago. Actually, they used the cores, flakes, scrapers, knives, borers, like the type of the tools. In the southern part of Tamil Nadu at Pudupatti and Sivarakotte, we found the artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools. Next, Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Mesolithic period means I already told the microliths, that people they use the microliths, and they also only the hunter and gatherer. Evidence where we found in the Tamil Nadu only we are going to see now. Okay, evidence only we found about the Mesolithic period are Natharkad, Dharmaburi, Salem, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. Okay, and also in Thuthukudi near to the Theri sites also they found the microlithic artifacts. Theri sites means red sandstones. Red sandstones only they are saying as a Theri sites. The people of this period used small artifacts made of cut and quartz. Already I told they know about the triangles, lunettes like that, but they doesn't know that all the geometrical shape, but the type of the shapes they used to hunt the animals. Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The Neolithic people used polished stone axes called sills. Cattle rearing was their main occupation. They lived in small villages with houses made of thatched roof and walls plastered with clay. Clay means I think so, you know, Kaliman nama solluma, that one only called as a clay. Okay, thatched roof means ola gudise appdin solvingaleya, and the ola gudise only called as a thatched roof. Evidence of Neolithic village we may found only in the Payyempalli in Vellore district, and also few sites we may found in the Dharmaburi region also. Payyempalli already I told it is the village in the Vellore district. That means the earliest evidence of the domestication of animals and cultivation of plants also we may find there. These were excavated by the Archaeological Survey of India.